What's up everyone, welcome to a quick video on disassembling and reassembling the handle on the PowerBlock Classic 50 adjustable dumbbells. This video is a viewer request, and I'm going to knock it out real quick. This set is no longer sold new, but my set is still in excellent condition after 10 years of regular use. So I'm sure there's still plenty out there, and this video might help someone out. So there are two top spacers, which are covered in soft foam. The center bar is the handle, which is covered with rubber. And on the bottom are two larger and heavier spacer bars that are steel and painted black. There is one stainless steel socket head cap screw and a flat washer on each side, which screws into the handle. The screws require a 5mm hex. With the screws removed, it all comes apart. Everything just locates into pockets inside the plastic side plates. The bottom spacers are solid steel bars inside of a painted steel sleeve. And the top spacers are solid steel bar in a soft foam sleeve. And there's some surface rust on these steel bars after 10 years, but it's just cosmetic. Here is the top spacer with the soft foam cover. And here is the handle with the rubber cover. Now, in case it helps, let's measure and weigh the spacers and handle, in case one of these needs to be replaced or something. The top spacer bar is 3/4 inch outer diameter by 5.5 inch long solid steel bar. And I suppose, to be thorough, it weighs in at 10.8 ounces. And the foam sleeve has a nominal diameter of about 1.25 inches. And of course, 3/4 on the inside, to fit over the 3/4 inch steel bar. And the handle is looking like 7/8 inch outer diameter by 5 1/16 inches long. Solid steel bar with tapped holes in the ends, plus it has the rubber cover over it. And it weighs in at 15.4 ounces. And last, we'll check out the bottom spacer. The steel bar measures in at 1 5/8 inch diameter by 5 5/8 inches long. And weighs in at 2 pounds, 8.5 ounces. And we may as well finish strong with the sleeve. It measures in at 1.659 inches outer diameter by 1.53 inches inner diameter by 5 5/8 inches long, and weighing 7.5 ounces. Also, the steel sleeve has a notch at each end, which locates on an extruded boss in the pocket. This prevents the sleeve from rotating. To button it back up, just place all of the spacers in the correct pockets and install the two screws to hold it together. And that's a look at the handle construction. I hope you found it helpful. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.